Number 1.
Hi, I'm at the dance audition.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing black leggings and a silver top.
Cool.
Number 2.
What's your brother wearing today?
He's wearing blue jeans and a green jacket.
Is he wearing his cap?
Yes, he is.
Number 3.
What's this in the lost property box? Is it a cardigan?
Yes, and this is a jumper. It's yellow.
Is the jumper yours?
No, ask Liam. I think it's his.
Number 4.
It's cold today. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing brown boots and a blue coat.
Are you wearing a hat?
Yes, I'm wearing my woolly hat.
Number 5.
Are you ready for the party?
Yes, I am.
Are you wearing your pink leggings?
No, I'm not. I'm wearing my new red dress. It looks great.